So andito tayo ngayon sa East Bay Residences by Rockwell to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. Bryan Tower, around 25 square meters. Studio po siya, and around 2.6 million regular price. Discounted price is around 2.3 million. This is available in cash or at least 20% down payment, and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover. So all the movables inside this unit kasama na po sa sale yan. Like this one, itong bed frame na to or sofa bed, kasama na po yan. And this is pet friendly. Monthly dues is around 83 pesos per square meter. Malapit po tayo sa Alabang, sa Skyway, and sa Slex. So this is a steel sale, around 2.3 million. Prime location pa siya dito sa may Muntinlupa City. And ang view niya is facing amenities. Ayun, parks and playground, and medyo kita rin yung swimming pool. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Maganda dito sa East Bay Residences, meron siyang retail row. May marketplace for your groceries. Merong mga shops. May bangko rin, may BDO, may Pande Manila, and may Starbucks dito.